Super simple and easy to make this Rabdi cake. Children would love this taste. And additionally, I made it in an individual bowl so that everyone can have their own bowl. Welcome back to Sunita's Tasty Food. So without any further delay, let's get started. First we will make the rabdi. For that we need 6 to 7 almonds, 6 to 7 cashew nuts, 6 to 7 pista nuts and 3 cardamom pods. Coarsely grind them and put them aside. In another heavy bottom utensil, pouring half liter of full fat milk and boil them on medium flame until the milk quantity reduces. Here we are not looking for the thick consistency of rabdi, rather we are looking for a semi-liquid consistency. While the milk is boiling, keep stirring and scrape the sides of the bowl. When you see the milk quantity is reduced, now add our ground nuts powder and mix it thoroughly and add few strands of saffron. Saffron not only gives the color to the rabdi but also enhances the flavor. For sweetness, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Usually who lives in tropical countries add cloves in the sugar to avoid ants in the container. That's how it came in. You can clearly see the milk quantity is reduced. At this stage, we can switch off the flame. As it cools down, the milk thickens little even more. Here I am taking 3 small bowls, greasing with oil and dusting with flour to avoid sticking to the bowl. Now in a mixing jar, add 3 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, 1/4 cup of oil, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar or as per your taste, 3 cardamom pods and grind it. In a mixing bowl, add sugar mixture followed by 1 cup of plain flour, that is all-purpose flour, and gently mix it with cut and fold method. As you mix the flour, it gets harder to mix. Then add 1/4 cup of rabdi and mix it. While mixing, apply cut and fold method. Then add 1/4 cup of milk little at a time while mixing. Now keep this aside. Let us put our utensil for preheating for about 5 to 8 minutes on high flame. Just before pouring the batter into the molds, add 1.5 sachets of fruit salt, that is Eno lemon flavor. To activate this, add little milk and gently mix it, ensuring the aerations should not go away. The more aeration in the batter, the better cake becomes spongy. That's why mix it gently. Now it's time to transfer the batter into the molds. Fill the mold 3/4 full so that while baking, cake can have enough space to enlarge and for rabdi pouring as well. For me, the batter filled exactly 3 containers. Place them in preheated utensil and bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes. Initially, bake it on medium flame for about 5 minutes. Later, reduce the flame to low. Let's check our cake. It has been cooking since 30 minutes. Now the skewer came out clean. Make holes in all the cakes. When we pour rabdi on top, it can easily absorb it. And then take them out from the utensil. Let the cake cool completely, then pour rabdi on it. Finally, garnished with some shaved nuts. Try this recipe. Your family would definitely love it. The spongy cake inside and the tasty rabdi on it. It's really melts in your mouth and super tasty. Look at that, the spongy texture in the cake. For many more recipes like this, please do subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.